Are you looking at your monthly budget, feeling that squeeze between your Social Security check and your rising grocery bills, and wondering if an app could solve your short-term cash problems? You see an ad for something called Credit Genie, promising a cash boost of up to $150 with no interest, no credit checks, and no late fees. It sounds like a dream come true, doesn't it? Like a little financial magic right when you need it most. But I need you to listen to me right now. There is no genie in a bottle when it comes to your hard-earned retirement money. Today, we are breaking down the features of Credit Genie, and we are looking past the shiny marketing to see exactly what this app means for your wallet, your security, and your peace of mind. Let's talk about the problem. If you are retired or getting ready to cross that finish line, you are likely transitioning to a fixed income. You don't have a boss offering you overtime hours if your air conditioner breaks down or if your prescription copay suddenly spikes. The money coming in is what it is. Because of that, a lot of people face a terrifying fear. The fear of running out of money before the month runs out, or the fear of bouncing a check and getting slammed with a $35 overdraft fee by their bank. It is an exhausting way to live, and it leaves you vulnerable. It makes you look for quick fixes. And that is exactly when apps like Credit Genie pop up on your smartphone screen, whispering that they can help you manage your money, give you spending insights, and hand you a cash advance to bridge the gap. But here is the catch, and this is where you must open your eyes. Just because there is no interest does not mean it is free. Credit Genie operates on fees and subscriptions. To even keep your bank account connected to their app to see if you qualify for that cash, they charge a recurring subscription fee. We are talking about $4.99 bi-weekly or up to $6.98 a month, depending on the specific tier. Think about that math. If you are paying roughly $10 a month just for the privilege of using an app that might lend you $40 or $50, you are bleeding money. And it gets worse. Let's say you get approved for a $40 advance because you need gas to go see your grandkids. If you want that money standard delivery, it can take up to 3 business days. But if you are stranded at the pump, you can't wait 3 days. So you click the instant delivery option. That comes with an express fee, sometimes up to $12.99, depending on the size of the advance. Let's do the actual math together, because numbers do not lie. If you take out a $40 advance, pay a $9.99 membership fee, and add a few dollars for instant delivery, you are paying over $10 to borrow $40 for a week or 2. If you calculate that as an annual percentage rate, you are looking at hundreds or even thousands of %. That is not financial help. That is a financial penalty for being short on cash. Let's talk about feature number 2, bank account connectivity and spending insights. Credit Genie asks you to link your primary checking account using bank-level encryption. They say they do this to track your spending and give you overdraft alerts. Now, tracking your spending is a fabulous habit, but do you really need a third-party app digging through your transaction history every single day? For retirees, this feature has a massive roadblock that the marketing barely mentions. Credit Genie generally does not work with joint bank accounts. If you and your spouse have shared a bank account for 30, 40, or 50 years, this app will automatically disqualify you for an advance. You have to be the sole owner listed on the account. Furthermore, they look for regular, consistent direct deposits. While they claim they don't strictly require standard payroll, their automated systems are designed for traditional biweekly employees. If your income is a mix of Social Security, a small pension, or irregular retirement account withdrawals, their algorithm might constantly flag you as ineligible. This brings us to a major point of frustration and fear that I hear from people using these types of apps: the technical glitches and the disappearing act of customer service. Imagine you link your account, you pay your monthly subscription fee, and you successfully get a small advance. You pay it back right on time because you are an honorable person. But the next month, an emergency happens, you go to request another cash boost, and the app throws an error code. You try to log out, you uninstall it, you reinstall it, and nothing works. You look for a phone number to call to speak to a human being, but guess what? There isn't one. There is no storefront you can walk into. There is no friendly banker across the desk. You are stuck sending emails to a generic support inbox, waiting days for a response while your subscription fee keeps ticking out of your account. First, Recognize that cash advance apps are a band-aid on a bullet wound. They do not fix a budget deficit, they just push this week's problem into next week, and they charge you a premium to do it. If you borrow $50 from your next Social Security check today, that means your next check is going to be $50 short, plus the fees. You are starting the next month in a hole. Second, check your own bank first. Almost every major brick-and-mortar bank and credit union today offers free, built-in online banking tools that track your spending, categorize your budget, and send you low-balance alerts via text message. You do not need to pay a monthly subscription fee to an app to get an overdraft warning. Your own bank will do it for free if you turn on the notifications in your account settings. Third, if you truly find yourself in a financial emergency, skip the apps and look to your local community. Look into local senior credit unions, which often offer true low-interest, short-term emergency loans with real human customer service. Look into local utility assistance programs or nonprofit resources that can help wrap around your budget without trying to upsell you on subscriptions or instant transfer fees. Your money in retirement represents your lifetime of hard work. It represents your sacrifices. Do not let it get chipped away, $5 here and $12 there, by apps promising magic solutions. True financial freedom doesn't come from a genie. It comes from you taking control, knowing where every single penny goes, and protecting your nest egg with everything you've got. You can do this, and you are worth doing it for.